Hi, it's your yoga teacher. Welcome to your day 2. Today's theme is flexibility. We will be talking about flexibility and how it's crucial in building a yoga practice that lasts. Because too many times I have seen students come to a yoga studio for 5 days a week, 6 days a week, for 3 years, 4 years, it doesn't matter how long, but all of a sudden they just stopped coming all together. And it's not only that they just stopped coming to the studio, they stopped practicing altogether. Why is it common? And I think it's because we as human beings get too attached to one idea of a practice. For example, we might unconsciously think that a yoga practice needs to be a session of at least 60 minutes or 90 minutes. And maybe our role in life change, our situation change. Maybe you moved to a new office, maybe you got married, maybe you need to be home more to take care of your loved ones, whatever it is, and you no longer have that 60 minutes to yourself, and you just think that it's impossible to practice. I want you to be flexible in designing your practice, that it does not have to be the same way that it was, the same way every day. It can change from day to day in order to fit into your schedule. So I have a mental exercise for you. First, I want you to imagine your busiest day. What does that look like for you? Where do you go? What do you do? And who do you see? What do you need to do on that day? Your busiest day. Do you have that? Okay. Now, on your busiest day, I want you to design a yoga practice. Remember that it does not have to be an hour. It can be 30 minutes. It can be 5 minutes. It can even be just 1 minute. I want you to design what that looks like on your busiest day. Like really imagine it. You see the visual very clearly in your head. Maybe you even feel how it feels to practice within the limited time that you have left. Take a moment. Do you have that? Okay? You have that? Okay. Now, it's for you to imagine your half busy day. So you're half as busy as your busiest day. Okay. Now imagine it. Where do you go? Who do you see? What do you do? What does it feel like on that day? What's your energy level like? Okay, once you have that, so you have more time, right? And maybe you have more energy. Okay, your half busy day. I want you to imagine a yoga practice that works for this day. Visualize it. Imagine how you would start. Imagine how it feels to go through each step of the practice. And feel how it feels. Do you have that? Okay, now I want you to imagine everything in between. Anywhere from your busiest day to your half as busy day. Then I want you to see, hear, and feel different variations of the yoga practice in your head. How many other ways can you practice? So it's not only us building the practice. My neighbor is also building their house. Okay, so now that you have the many variations between your busiest day and your half busy day, I want you to take a deep breath in, hold the breath, and slowly breathe out. Now open up your eyes. And I want you to take that with you as we go on our hashtag restarting yoga, the 30-day journey. Remember to connect to other people. You can connect with me, with Daria, with Janet, and those who use the hashtag restarting yoga who are on the same journey that you are on now. I see you in the next video.